The first letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Aleph. This is how you write Aleph in print. This is how you write Aleph in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Aleph. A word example for the letter Aleph is Ima. Ima. You can look at the Aleph at the beginning and at the end of the word. This is Ima in handwriting. Ima means mother in English. The next letter is Bet. Bet. This is how you write Bet in print and in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Bet. A word example for the letter Bet is bite. Notice how the word bite looks very similar to the spelling of the letter Bet. This is bite in handwriting. Bite means home or house in English. The next letter is Gimel. Gimel. This is how you write the letter Gimel. A word example for the letter Gimel is Glida. Glida. This is how you write Glida, both in print and handwriting. Glida means ice cream in English. The next letter is Dalet. Dalet. This is how you write Dalet and spell its name. A word example for the letter Dalet is Dalet. Dalet. Again, notice how the word Dalet is similar to the spelling of the letter Dalet. This is how you write Dalet, both in print and in handwriting. Dalet means door in English. The next letter is He. He. This is how you write He. A word example for the letter He is Hege. Hege. Hege means steering wheel. The next letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Vav. Vav. This is how you write and spell Vav. A word example for the letter Vav is Vered. Vered. Vered means rose in English. The next letter is Zayin. This is how you write Zayin in print. This is how you write Zayin in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter. A word example for the letter Zayin is zvuv. Zvuv. Zvuv means a fly in English. The next letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Chet. Chet. This is how you write Chet both in print and handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Chet. A word example for the letter Chet is Cheder. Cheder. Cheder means room in English. Notice the chet at the beginning of the word. The next letter is tet. Tet. This is how you write tet in print and in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter tet. A word example for the letter tet is the word telephone. I'm sure you know the translation already. Telephone. The next letter is Yod. This is how you write Yod, both in print and handwriting. A word example for the letter Yod is Yofi. Yofi. This is how you write Yofi in handwriting. Yofi means beauty. The next letter is Kaf. Kaf. This is how you write Kaf in print and handwriting. Kaf has a final form, which looks a little different than the regular form of the letter. Final form letters appear at the end of the word. You will never see a final form at the middle or a beginning of a word. A word example for the letter Kaf is kadur. Kadur means ball in English. The next letter is Lamed. This is how you write Lamed in print and handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Lamed. A word example for the letter Lamed is Lavan. This is how you write Lavan in print and in handwriting. Lavan means white in English. The next letter is Mem. Mem. This is how you write Mem in print and handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Mem. Mem, like Kaf, has a final form. This is how you write the final form of Mem. A word example for the letter Mem is mita. Mita. Mita means bed in English. The next letter is Nun. Nun. This is how you write Nun. This is how you spell the letter Nun. Nun also has a final form. Notice that the final form of the letter Nun appears at the end of the letter itself. A word example for the letter Nun is נוסע. נוסע. This is how you write נוסע in print and in handwriting. נוסע translates to passenger in English. The next letter is Samekh. Samekh. This is how you write Samekh in print and Samekh in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Samekh. A word example for the letter Samekh is סגור. סגור. סגור means closed in English. The next letter is Ayin. Ayin. This is how you write Ayin in print and handwriting. A word example for the letter Ayin is עפיפון. עפיפון. Notice the Ayin at the beginning of the word עפיפון. עפיפון translates to kite in English. The next letter is P. P. This is how you write P, both in print and handwriting. P has also a final form. A word example for the letter P is פתוח. פתוח. Notice the P at the beginning of the word פתוח. פתוח means open in English. The next letter is Tsadi. Tsadi. This is how you write Tsadi both in print and handwriting. Tsadi has also a final form. A word example for the letter Tsadi is צרצר. צרצר. Tzartzar translates to cricket, the insect. The next letter is Kuf. Kuf. This is how you write Kuf both in print and handwriting. A word example for the letter Kuf is Kemach. Kemach. Kemach means flour in English. The next letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Resh. Resh. This is how you write Resh in print and in handwriting. This is how you spell the letter Resh. A word example for the letter Resh is the word Rosh. Rosh. This is how you write Rosh in print. Rosh means head in English. The next letter is Shin. Shin. This is how you write Shin in print and in handwriting. A word example for the letter Shin is Shabbat. Shabbat. This is how you write Shabbat both in print and handwriting. Shabbat translates to Saturday. The last letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Tav. Tav. This is how you write Tav. This is how you spell the letter Tav. A word example for the letter Tav is Tik. Tik. This is how you write Tik in print and Tik in handwriting. Tik translates to bag in English. That is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave any question you have in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.